Hi, I'm Dr. Chris Martinez from the University of New Haven, and I know you're going to be doing a STEM challenge at your high school. And with that, you're probably going to be using the Arduino to do some type of robotics type of application. Now, this might be your first time doing some work with robotics, writing programming code. You might need a little bit of guidance on how to get started. So what I'm going to show you is 6 different examples on the same project on how like a beginner all the way to an intermediate to an expert would try to write the code. Right, so all of the examples I'm going to give is based off of one example. And that example is with a push button and an LED that has 3 colors, a red, a green, and a blue. Now, in this example I'm going to show you, the idea is to do your student ID. And here our student IDs are 8 numbers. And we're going to show that student ID through Morse code. Now with the dots and the dashes, we're going to use 2 different colors to do dots and dashes. And that's going to be on the LED. So I'm just going to show this example here so you can understand what it is I'm doing. And then we're going to dig into the code to see how we would write it. Okay, so every time we push the button, we're going to get 1 number flashing in Morse code. All of the student ID numbers here at the University of New Haven, most of them all start with 00. So we're going to see 2 zeros at the beginning. And a 0 are all dashes. So I'm going to press the button. And this is a green that had flashed 5 times. Let me kind of tilt it down so maybe you can see the color a little bit better. And we'll press the button and we see the light flash again. And the example I did is like 00, 345, 345. I just had numbers that kind of repeat. So we'll see a 3, and here we'll see a new color pop up. So that's blue, and then we have some green. I think the colors might be a little bit hard for you to see. So let's do a 4. So that should be a blue, and that's color green. Let me kind of tilt it towards the inside. Let me do one more number. So there we have blue. All right, so that's the example we're going to work off. I'm going to start off with very beginner's code, and then we're going to keep adding, making modifications. And you see what something looks like more towards the intermediate and a more seasoned expert. All right, so we're going to go through some code now.